Hi children, welcome to today's English class. In our previous classes, we already learned about the kinds of nouns. And we learned proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Today, we want to learn about material noun and abstract noun. First, we are going to learn about material noun. A noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made of is called a material noun. Listen, a noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made of is called a material noun. Examples are cotton, wood, water, gold, etc. Here are some more examples of material noun. First one, these books are made of paper. Here we get books from paper. So, which material is used for making books? Yes, paper. So, paper is here material noun. Next example, this chair is made of wood. Here, we get chair from wood. So, wood is the material. Next one, facts about material noun. Children, material nouns are not generally used in the plural number. Example, look here children, which noun is plural in number here? First one or second one? Yes, first one. So, don't use this plural number in material noun. So, we want to use singular form of the noun plastic. Okay. We get materials mainly from three sources. We get it from nature, from animals and plants. Some of the materials are made by man. Look at these examples. From nature, we get air, gold, silver, etc. From animals, honey, meat, milk, wool, etc. From plants, we get wood, oil, cotton, rubber, etc. And some materials are made by man. They are acid, alcohol, butter, etc. Next, we are going to learn about abstract noun. Read this, children. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, state, feeling, or idea that we cannot see, hear, taste, or touch, but which we can only think of. That means these kinds of noun, we can't touch it, we can't see, or we can't taste, but we can only think of. Such kind of noun is known as abstract noun. For example, people lost faith in banks. Second one, don't underestimate your own strength. Next one, Alex had a fear that he would fall down. Here, faith, strength, and fear are the abstract nouns. Children, we can never see or touch this faith, fear, or strength. These kinds of nouns are known as abstract noun. Now let's summarize today's class. Today we learned about material noun and abstract noun. We know a noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made of is called a material noun. For examples, cotton, wood, water, gold, etc. Then we learned about abstract nouns. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, state, feeling, or idea that we cannot see, hear, taste, or touch, but we can only think of. Joy, beauty, fear, etc. These are the examples of abstract nouns. Okay, children, this is the time to wind up the class. Take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.